Yo, what's going on, guys? It is currently 9:21 in the morning, and it is currently Friday, Fake Out Friday, and it is January 30th. So, because it is 9:21, we're gonna immediately hop into the markets. Today is not much to say. Yesterday we would have we would have hit a smooth TP5, but I didn't hold, so it is what it is. Yesterday we also did break our trading rules, so today we're gonna be doing better. Nonetheless, we do still have our balance of 475.68, and we are still trying to come back up from where we once were. So we're gonna hop into the markets right now. We're gonna start marking them up. I just low key finished marking up my trade loggers. I'm just gonna mark up my trading view raw with you guys just so you guys can see. But we're gonna jump into the markets right now, and we're gonna see what we got cooking. Hopefully today we have a lot of volume. If we don't have enough volume, then it is what it is. We're just not gonna trade a trade, but we are going to check out what's popping today. So let's see what's gonna be happening today. All right, yo, what's up, guys? So let's go over our trading real quick from yesterday. So yesterday we did take buys off of this. We took 2 buys off of this, and we filled both times. The third buy, we actually did hit our TP2, which we did close around. No, we did hit TP3, which we closed around here. As you guys can see, price continued to go forward, and we were able to hit our TP5. I am gonna start using my fib, so just to mark out my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. But we did hit a smooth TP5 until price decided to reverse. So I'm assuming it probably just took out this liquidity up here, these highs, and then it just started reversing back over here. Guys, Nas took off, bro. If we were in Nas trade yesterday, dude, the trade that we would have been in would have been crazy. So it is what it is. Today we are on the next day. So we're gonna go ahead and start marking up our charts. We do have a couple minutes left. We do see that we are in a downward trend. So you guys can see from right here, we are in a downward channel, which I will mark up. We do have some mean resistance zone, a mean resistance zone right here. And we do have a good support zone down here too as well. So I do like these right here. These two zones. I will mark them up for Nas 1, 2 longs, and we also have Nas 1, 2 shorts. Kind of a big zone in my opinion, but it is what it is. We'll see what we can make out of it. I'm actually do a shorter stop loss maybe if we do take a trade today. Now as you guys can see, we did break out of this trend, so that's a good thing. We do have a really nice resistance zone right here. I'm already starting to like how US 30 looks. And we do have a support zone down here as well. If price was to reverse all the way back over here, even better. I will mark up this zone up here as well. And preferably, I would rather see this price reject so we could take a trade off for this. But if it doesn't, then we will have to look for a new zone, or we will have to look for sales. Over here, also, US 31 2 shorts. We are not going to be aiming for the 1 to 5 for sure, but if it's there, it's there, you know. So we're going to bring this up just a little bit. I would probably say I would like to bring this up to this area right here. And then as far as this zone right here, or this tool right here, I would like to bring this tool, I would say maybe down here. And I can feel comfortable taking a sell off of this zone around here somewhere. Let's go right there. We do have less than 4 minutes before market session opens, so hopefully we do have a push down. Like I said, we did break out of this trend, this trend line, so it's really good momentum to the upside, but we will see. My cat wants to get in the camera so bad. Oh Jesus. You guys won't believe, man. My cat's been pissing in my closet lately. He pissed on one of my shorts yesterday, my underwear yesterday. And this guy right now is in a lot of trouble. All right, guys, so price did come all the way up here, so I'm just going to mark this zone around here as well to see how price reacts off of that. And I will probably be willing to take a trade off of here at this point, just because of the fact that it did take a pretty decent jump. We do have less than 45 seconds before the market session opens, so let's see what the market brings today. Hopefully we do have a lot of volume. The volume is slow today. I will probably just not take a trade, and I would rather just conserve my capital. Like I'm the type of person though that when I see a setup, I like to go for my setup. But we do gotta see if we have some volume today. So let's do better than we did yesterday and the day before and all that stuff. All right, market opens in 10 seconds. Let's see what we can do. All right, market session is open. And then I do have my trade locker available. NAS seems to be doing a push. US30 did make a push. So I did jump into that. Which I will show you guys in a minute. On US30, I did get in pretty late, if it even wants to show it. It's kind of stuck right now, I ain't gonna lie, but let's go ahead and put our TP all the way up here. So we are in this trade, and it's looking to be like a fake out already. It did start off with a bunch of volume, and it did push up like crazy. So let's hope that today it does not want to fake out, but it looks like it's going to reverse the way it's moving. It's not wanting to go up. It's trying to go down, but it's not wanting to go down. It's just trying to push up. All right, let's see. We would have smacked TP1 already if we did end up getting into that, but let's see, and let's check out NAS. NAS 100, I already know it did make its push, but I didn't enter that push. It did actually fake out, so that's actually horrible news to me. I don't like the fact that it pushed out, that it faked out like that, so I'm probably going to have to do this just because I already know that I did it too late. Let's just hope on NAS, on US30, but I'm going to keep my trade right here. Oh, TP1 smacked. That's TP1 smack right there, so that's a good one-to-one right there. I would prefer to secure that real quick if I could. US30 just keep on pushing up. Just do your thing, gang. Just keep on pushing up, gang. There we go. TP1 has been smacked already. Let's go for a TP2. Come on. I need to see a TP2 here. I need US30 to give me a TP2 on Fake Out Friday. Let's go ahead and secure one TP just so we can at least secure at least one TP. That's a smooth one-to-one that we can already secure. I would rather secure a one-to-one on a Friday than just lose everything again. I'm going to go ahead and delete this right here real quick because that is no longer useful. TP2 has been smacked. We are now at TP2. That's a good smooth 160. Let's go for a TP3 gang. TP3, let's go. Let's do it. Come on, come on, come on. I really need US30 to just keep pushing up. I need to see that volume. I would rather see it hit a smack a TP5, man. That's really the goal today. Let's go hit a TP5, please. I need to see US30 keep pushing up, dog. Let's do another TP3 today. Don't reverse on me. It's going to hit my TP2, and I might just get out, but I don't want it to do that. Dude, I know that just took me out. Way less than a TP, whatever. Oh, 155, so that's straight. So I got a 155 today. If you guys are still in this trade, which nobody is, TP3 is about to get smacked out of this world. But we did secure 2 TPs today. So TP2 has been smacked today. TP1, TP2, as you guys can see. I got it set at TP2 and I got it set at TP1. I was aiming for a TP3 for a second. I do have a TP4 right here and a TP5 up there. Let's watch this trade play out and let's see if we do end up hitting a TP3, guys. That was a smooth trade. Let's look at Nas real quick to see if it even made any move whatsoever. It's starting to make a move. You know what I mean? So I could go ahead and put this right here as well. I will start using my fib. I do like using my fib. And let's see if it even ever hits a TP5. But US 30, it did start to reverse. It has not hit a TP3 yet, but it did come close. If it would have been a TP3 that would have gotten smacked today, we would have at least made, let's see, a smooth 240. So 240 would have been made, but we did get out at a TP2. So that's basically the trade, guys. Today our balance, you guys can see, is back at $630.42. We just made 2 trades now, so we are literally 1 trade away from being back to where we once were. I do like my new trading style, you know, having my stop loss at stop loss and TP at TP5 and just move my stop loss up 1 level at a time. I think that might be my new trading style. I do low key mess with it. I like it. One out of 1 trade. That's exactly how I like to have it. We did break out of this resistance zone a little bit early, but I noticed that when price pushed back down, all my trade locker, which I wish you guys would have seen it, but I normally have my trade locker, dude. My trade lock, my trading view is horrible, dude. Like it never wants to show anything. But I literally noticed that once my freaking once price pushed down and pushed back up again, it was just I had to jump in, you know. I seen a lot of volume starting up. As you guys can see, we do have a lot of volume going into the trade. As you guys can see, there's a lot of volume in the market today, so that's a good thing. Nas 100, they get me a bit nervous because when one pair tends to you know, fake out like that, the other pair tends to do the same thing. But I guess today's just not the day, so we're about to smack a TP3 right now. It's just that's what it looks like at the moment, but I'm already fully out of the trade. I went in and secured my profits. We are at $630.42 balance a day. We're golden, so we literally pushed past this resistance zone, and I basically took the trade a little bit late, but it is what it is. Better late than never. If we would have gotten down here, which would have probably never happened, but we would have gotten down here and we had this set up over here, we would have smacked literally a TP3, almost a TP4, bro. So just wait on it, guys, that with this new way that I've started trading, I will end up hitting a TP5 one of these days. Mark my words, 200 points. We'll get back. The market has been giving out a lot of 200-point moves. Yesterday alone, bro. Yesterday alone. Let's look at the market. Yesterday alone, dude. Yesterday we got an insane, bro, an insane TP5. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick before I go to get off. This was an insane TP5, guys. Like right here, TP5 all day. We would have held, dude. The amount of, this is 10:30. This is 10:30. This is 10:50. By 11 in the morning, dude. That could have been an insane. Let's just say 500 points gain yesterday. You know what I mean? 500 points game. That would have been an insane 1 to 12 risk reward that I could have bagged if I would have taken the Nas trade. So markets have been giving a lot of trades lately that have been giving out smacking, talking about smacking 3, 4, 500 points, 200 points. I'm gonna bag one of these trades one of these days. Watch. Nas 100 broke out of the channel. You could have taken this trade if you wanted to. We could have deleted this, and then we could have not been stomped out because it went down first. I seen it. It went down first, so let's see if it ever even do that. And let's see if it ever even hits that TP5. But I will probably do that in my shorts. So US 30, never got a TP3, but it is what it is. We never pushed down. We never brought down this trend line, so there's no reason for sales. We only passed this trend line and we pushed up. So there's all the reasons for buys right there. So hopefully you guys learned something today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys found any useful knowledge out of this video, or if you have any questions, please do feel free to comment in the section below, or yeah, comment in the comment section below. If you guys want to join my Discord, I will be posting my wins on my. I've been posting my wins on my Discord. I'm not consistent, but I do post my wins on my Discord. You guys can go ahead and join that Discord. I will leave that in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and journal this trade right now. I'm gonna get started on the video right now, so I can get to the barbershop right now. you guys can see, I'm actually really glad that I went ahead and put my TP, my stop loss over here, because look at this crazy trade, bro. I will be flipping out right now if I was to get out, if I was to not get out, and I'm down here at this point. What? And that's below my TP1. I will be livid. I will probably be securing profits right now instead of doing it over here. So today was a dub. I mean, today was a win. You know, we took the dub. 155 bucks made today, and I am about to edit this video. I made 155 bucks in 5 minutes. I made $155 in 5 minutes or less. But technically, the first 5 minutes of the New York session trade. And let's go ahead and jump into the 1 minute before I get off. I just want this to really sink into you guys' minds. Okay. Today I made 500 bucks in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. 5 minutes. I made $155 in the first 4 to 5 minutes of my day on the computer. Guys, if you guys are watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, do subscribe. We're gonna hit $1,000. I'm telling you, we're not. Look, we were at 790 bucks. Yes, okay. We came back from $299 to 630 from yesterday to today. We just came back. All right. I could have made the $1,000 a long time ago, but I remember that one bank holiday, traded, fucked up. 3 trades, fucked up. You know, that one day that I got mad because my PC turned off. I fucked up by taking 3 trades. I fucked up by trading in period. You know, my emotions were all over the place. I should have just gotten off. That was a consolidating day anyway. So it's those days that really make you mad. You know, but it is what it is. You live and you learn. I made 155 bucks in 3 days. I mean, in 5 minutes. And I went from 299 to 630, which is whatever that math is. You could do the number in 2 days. Trading for literally 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes from both days put together. I made from 299 to 630 in 2 days. In literally 30 minutes, I would say. Let that sink in, guys. If you guys want to go ahead and learn from me, feel free to subscribe. If you guys want to follow the real trading journey, what it takes to be a trader, what it looks like to be a trader, what it looks like to have a profitable strategy, but also with a good psychology level that I am not there yet at, but I'm getting there. And you guys are watching me, feel free to subscribe. Like I said, if you guys want to connect with me, ask me questions personally, even hop on a Discord one-to-one call. I'm free a lot of the time, so I don't mind doing that. You know, for right now, I don't really have a lot, so I don't mind doing that. So if you guys ever want to do that, join the Discord in the description below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Deuces.